I am Marcel Schrötter. I race motorcycles professionally.
Oh my goodness, Marcel Schrötter!
The motorhome is basically for everything, but mainly going to the races in all around Europe. It's also my training vehicle, as I have a big garage at the back where I can put my bikes and go to training. It's a very important place for me. Also, of course, I use it for going to some holidays, so it's always nice to have a place to go back, to relax, to sleep and to cool down. Today we installed the Webasto Cool Top Trail 28V. I'm here just a few hours later. Everything is done. I'm very happy. We could keep every window in the vehicle, which is very important for daylight or for air. I already experienced it in my old camper. I choose the Webasto because it's really powerful, it's efficient and very quiet.
Shh, check it out.
To change to the Webasto was a real game changer. Webasto is close to my hometown, so it's a brand that I know. Also the device, I think it's the best one I experienced so far. Relaxed nights at my races, that's why it's so important to have a good device on the roof.